hang up, I'm gonna bring you back on. No, wait, no, man. May I finish it? May I go finish this? Because I'm sitting there and say, ask you. You're going to know people business. Anyway, people business, you stay there.
Say that you say smarty give smarty jacket.
Oh.
Nah, Jesus. Me say, your friend when I like, the woman who did a course, and you apologize to her. Me say the other woman know, but the day before the baby enough for the man. But as soon as me get it, the baby enough for none of them.
Hold on. So what you say? So the woman, she give jacket?
They say the baby enough for him, but the baby enough for none of them.
So who for the baby?
It was an adopted child.
I like the woman that breed, man. They're too wicked.
No, man. Not that woman. They didn't know that woman before she.
No, it didn't look like it.
No. Them adopt the baby. She adopt the baby from a girl and send the girl to Canada.
Right.
True. Talk true Tuesday.
No, mom. Them are wicked. The people are wicked. Can little boy look like the daddy? I lie, them are wicked.
No, it's not the little boy. Me I tell her say I mix up the thing, the other lady, before the rest of lady.
I which one that? That's so much the
good looking one, the pretty one, where they pretty when she young.
Oh, the brown one?
Yes.
So she, hold on, let me get the arithmetic. So she said she breed for him. But
yeah,
it was a film picnic and somebody else picnic.
Right.
Oh.
Can you notice him got everybody's graduation and him no got that one the graduation though?
Okay.
But the baby are not for none of them.
So she never breed yet?
Never.
You sure?
I don't know if she ever breed in her life. But some buy, some sell it. Them say the baby for one girl and them send the girl to Canada. But she tell him say she breed and she tell him say the picnic for him. But buy the baby.
So but if him buy the baby then if them buy the baby that means there's nothing wrong because that means they know about it.
No, him never know about it.
So hold on then. Let me get the arithmetic. So she tell him say a film picnic.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, him no know say it's a jacket. It's a buy picnic.
No, him never know lately. I'm find out.
So him a mind the picnic the whole time?
Nah, mind it.
Oh.
In the start.
Oh.
Not in graduation, him no go.
Oh. So what about the last one? You think of him?
In Ghana one the graduation.
Me know, but me ask if you think of him.
Could be, me no know.
Me say, lady, and me say, the last one, now content about could be. You think of him, yes or no?
Me no know, me can't say of him and me can't say of him, me no know.
Lady, they are wicked.
You can't say me a wicked, Dr. Love, because I can't feel him. It look like him. But that don't mean nothing. Enough time people look like man and enough for them.
Me say, if you think of him, one, yes or no?
Yes, I feel him.
Yeah, go away I go, man. But go away I go.
So what you want to say? So you don't know so that I go out from there, the passa they run from there.
No, cause you happen.
A big thing pop up from there. And the biggest thing I talk about. And
me still talk people business. So I don't know what's going on from there, but maybe.
But the public can talk about it.
Maybe not a jacket, but. So what the last one? Where him they know?
Me don't know cause everybody there Pegasus and me not see him.
Okay, yes. Okay. So where the other one they know?
Me not see her Pegasus neither.
Okay.
Everybody is except them there.
Oh.
Big family reunion.
Alive.
Big family reunion and cook out and the young one there. Him say she had the apple of everybody heart.
So hold on.
The last one.
So the last one. Never did they either?
She that me tell her she did run up and down and give pay trouble. And him say she had the apple of everybody eye.
So what about the mama? The mama did they?
Me don't know, me don't see the mother, me go see the baby, I run up and down, now I wear her mask. And she just have jumps and just have be fun.
Oh,
and him attack how him love her, everybody love her.
oh my.
Talk true Tuesday.
This is very big.
And the next topic when I hear them talk about the girl with her rub down sensei ass.
Oh no, me don't want to waste time chat about them. No sir, no lady. We don't want to waste time chat about them.
We don't want to talk about that. All right.
We don't chat about them. Give me.
Yeah, we not talk about them.
More juicy than that, man.
Yeah, so where you think of no that this out now the public eye where them that hide for so long? Where you think of happen?
Not now go happen. And the first man I get the wrong picnic and wrong jacket. Not now go happen.
Me not consider it a jacket, me just consider a bought and soul.
Well, and them alone, them foot and I get jacket, foot flexing them my jacket there too.
But flexing don't know I never feel. Indeed, just glad for the baby chin like the girl.
Then look into it again. Then you didn't need glasses to say that the picnic never belonged to the daddy when the picnic. You know, see the picnic bottom lip and fire everything.
But listen, that's why I say him didn't want to feel him because when him look on the child, him know say nothing of mine. So
maybe,
him did well want him did just want hold on for the baby because him love the girl.
Maybe
I know some man when they love the woman, you know, them hold the jacket them, you know.
Yeah, but maybe you think the identity of the picnic was gonna change to a better look eventually.
But the man not ugly. The man not ugly, you know, the man just have a big mouth, but him not ugly. The man is not ugly, Dr. Love. But if you ask me better looking than you, Dr. Love, if you ask me better looking than you, him know straighter than yours.
Yeah, Debisha company page account about me to get jacket. Yes, me to get jacket and I love people business too.
You get jacket, Dr. Love, they don't tell me.
No,
Pop story.
No, me never get the jacket. What happened? It was a mistake identity at the wrong situation at the wrong moment.
Me know say you get the pillar. Me know you get the pillar belly, but me know you get jacket to boy, but look here. You get pillar.
I never get no jacket.
You get pillar and jacket too. You bad lucky Dr. Love. Me know about the pillar, but me never know about the jacket.
No, I was just to spend that the moment. I mean, yes, the belly I come.
Dr. Love, you too bad, man. And talk truth, Tuesday. Talk truth, man. You get pillar and jacket. Tell the whole world. You get pillar for 8 months, and you get jacket for 9 months.
I never so long, man. You're wicked.
Me not wicked, me talk truth. It name's talk truth Tuesday.